Hello, my name is Pharmacist Michael, and today I'm going to do an updated video on ox bile. Ox bile supplements have gained attention in recent years for their potential benefits in supporting digestive health. Derived from the bile of oxen, these supplements contain a mixture of bile acids, enzymes, and other compounds that aid in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits and side effects of ox bile supplements, explore who can benefit from them, who shouldn't take them, recommended dosages, and the optimal timing for their usage. Ox bile supplements contain bile acids, primarily cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid, which aid in the emulsification and digestion of fats. They also contain enzymes such as lipase, amylase, and protease, which help break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Other compounds present in ox bile supplements include phospholipids, cholesterol, and electrolytes, which contribute to overall digestive function. Bile acids emulsify dietary fats, breaking them down into smaller droplets that are more easily digested and absorbed by the body. Enzymes present in ox bile supplements further break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins into their component molecules, which can be absorbed in the small intestine. By enhancing the digestion and absorption of nutrients, ox bile supplements may help alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as fat malabsorption, gallbladder dysfunction, and pancreatic insufficiency. Ox bile supplements can enhance the digestion and absorption of dietary fats, reducing symptoms of fat malabsorption such as diarrhea, statiduria, which is fatty stools, and bloating. Individuals with conditions that affect bile production or flow, such as cholecystectomy, which is gallbladder removal, or bile duct obstruction, may benefit from supplemental bile acids to support fat digestion. Ox bile supplements may alleviate symptoms associated with gallbladder dysfunction, such as indigestion, bloating, and discomfort after meals. They may also improve symptoms of pancreatic insufficiency, a condition characterized by inadequate production of digestive enzymes by the pancreas, leading to impaired nutrient absorption and digestive discomfort. Bile acids play a crucial role in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. By improving fat digestion and absorption, ox bile supplements may enhance the absorption of these essential vitamins, promoting overall health and well-being. As with all medications and supplements, ox bile may have side effects. Some individuals may experience some gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea, abdominal discomfort, bloating, or diarrhea. These side effects are typically mild and transient, but individuals with sensitive digestive symptoms may need to adjust their dosage or discontinue use. Ox bile supplements can stimulate gallbladder contractions, which may cause discomfort or pain in individuals with gallbladder disease or gallstones. Individuals with a history of gallbladder issues should use caution when taking ox bile supplements and consult with their healthcare provider before use. In rare cases, individuals may experience allergic reactions to the components of ox bile supplements, resulting in symptoms such as rash, itching, or swelling. Individuals with known allergies to bile acids or related substances should avoid ox bile supplements or use them under close medical supervision. Those who have undergone cholecystectomy, which is gallbladder removal as we said earlier, may experience difficulty digesting fats due to reduced bile storage and secretion. Ox bile supplements can help compensate for impaired bile flow and support fat digestion in these individuals. People with pancreatic insufficiency may have inadequate production of pancreatic enzymes, leading to impaired fat digestion and malabsorption. Supplemental bile acids can complement pancreatic enzyme replacement therapy and improve fat digestion and nutrient absorption in these individuals. Conditions such as celiac disease, Crohn's disease, or short bowel syndrome can also impair fat absorption in the small intestine, leading to symptoms of fat malabsorption. Ox bile supplements may help alleviate symptoms and improve nutrient absorption in individuals with these conditions as well. So, who shouldn't take ox bile supplements? Well, individuals with active gallbladder disease, gallstones, or a history of biliary obstruction should avoid ox bile supplements due to the risk of gallbladder contractions and exacerbation of symptoms. Consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended before considering ox bile supplementation in these individuals. Those with known allergies to bile acids, ox bile, or related substances should also avoid ox bile supplements to prevent allergic reactions. Close monitoring and medical supervision are necessary for individuals with histories of allergies or sensitivities. The optimal dosage of ox bile supplements may vary depending on individual needs and underlying conditions. Healthcare providers may recommend starting with a lower dose and titrating up as needed based on symptom relief and tolerance. Ox bile supplements are typically taken with meals to aid in the digestion and absorption of fats. It is recommended to follow the dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer or healthcare provider and take ox bile supplements as directed. Ox bile supplements offer potential benefits for individuals with digestive disorders characterized by impaired fat digestion and absorption. By supporting bile flow and enhancing fat metabolism, these supplements may alleviate symptoms and improve nutrient absorptions in individuals with conditions such as gallbladder dysfunction, pancreatic insufficiency, and fat malabsorption disorders. It is important to consider potential side effects and contraindications before initiating supplementation, and consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended to determine suitability and optimal dosage. With careful consideration and guidance, ox bile supplements can be a valuable tool in supporting digestive health and overall well-being. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section of this video. I have placed several links in the description section of this video with supplements that I recommend, including ox bile supplements, for you to lead a happier, healthier life. If you want more information on nutritional supplements, medications, or just living a happier, healthier life, please subscribe to our channel. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.